Lisa TVB, live healthy today, natural life, the Lisa way. Tagline, Lisa TV, your home for healthy living.
Introducing Miracle Leaf Natural Cure for Cough. Presented by Lisa TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy our outro with Lisa TV, Living Healthy. This amazing plant has natural healing powers. It clears the throat, reduces inflammation, and soothes the lungs, all without harmful chemicals. To prepare it, wash about 5 to 7 miracle leaves. Boil them in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Allow it to cool slightly. You can drink it warm, morning and night. It helps loosen mucus and calm the chest. For children, you can mix a small quantity of the boiled miracle leaf water with honey for a gentle, natural cough remedy. Miracle Leaf also strengthens your immune system. It protects your airways from infections that cause cough, cold, or bronchitis. Remember, the best medicine often grows right in your backyard. Miracle Leaf, nature's way of saying you shall not cough again. Introducing Miracle Leaf Natural Cure for Cough. Presented by Lisa TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy our outro with Lisa TV, Living Healthy.